Hey y'all, so it is real gloomy outside today. It's supposed to snow. Why are you so weak down here? I got the water going. I'm about to go ahead and wash a load of laundry. After I wash mine, I'm wash hers. And then I'm going to season some pork chops. We'll have pork chop for dinner. A mini Sunday reset. You ready, girl? You ready to wash these clothes? I definitely gotta vacuum my floor. We got stuff everywhere. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, can you share my world? If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Okay, I hope y'all can hear me. I got the washer going. These are the pork chops that we'll be eating tonight. And then I'm gonna cut up some onion. I got some butter, paprika, oregano, onion powder, adobo, and black pepper. That's it, that's all. I have no idea what we're gonna have for sides, but I'll figure it out when the time comes. First, I'm gonna start off by washing it, and then I'll come back and season it with y'all. Let's go ahead and season this up real quick. I literally went to the grocery store last night, went down the aisle where the gloves were, and did not pick any up. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. And I'm gonna season the other side for my short. I'm basically filming 2 videos because I gotta promote my long form so we can get more people over here watching and build a community and support. And yeah, here's the pork chop. I love onions, unsalted butter, and some water, and now it's ready to go. I'm gonna dry her and put hers in the washer. That we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fear. It is now time for me to re-up. This lasted a long time. I think I've been using this since maybe like July or August. I had a small one before this, so I think I should be able to get maybe like 2 more loads out of this, and then I need to get some more. And then this is right here. So this definitely did good. I'm gonna get that soon. All right, let me get her clothes and break them. Let me put them in. You really never know what you're gonna get with her. I think she took about a 15-minute nap, but I was able to get everything done. Since I did not do this the other day, I'm gonna do it right now. My baby is in the living room with my grandma. She gets back home, so go spend a little bit of time with her while I get this done. All she want to do is climb on me. I'm gonna get rid of the stuff that she can no longer fit. I'll figure out what I'm gonna give away and what I'm gonna list on Poshmark. So some of these are her size right now. There's a few of those in here. This pile is what she can fit, and this pile is what she cannot fit. I'm gonna put it right here. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. You should make me your girl. Oh, if it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right. This is what I have to give away. This is what she could still fit. That wasn't too bad, actually. This is what it's looking like. I think it's been in here for like an hour and a half.
All of Cece's belongings have been packed away. Are you sure you want to take it away? Yes. At least I'll have something to remember about. Sure.
About to put my clothes up. Hers are currently in the dryer, and then I'll be done with laundry. About to fold these clothes up real quick, and then the last thing that I have to do is vacuum the floor, and everything will be done. Ain't that right, girl? Ain't that right? Remember this dress from the other day? It was so cute with this. So cute. So cute. Yeah, baby. Oh. Make me your girl, baby. Baby, share my world. I got what you need, so come share my world. Walk with me. Walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right, baby. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your. Here's everything. This is how the bin looks. This little girl has so much stuff. And these are like sweatshirts and dresses. I'm gonna just hang these up. Sleepers back here. So I'm gonna put some on top, but everything's not gonna fit, so I gotta find a place for these other onesies and shirts. I hope that you guys enjoyed this reset. My baby is very sleepy, so bye.